Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to unmute notifications from people who haven't confirmed their phone number on X, formerly known as Twitter. If you've recently noticed that some notifications aren't showing up, this feature might be the reason. Let's fix that together step by step first. Open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see several icons and options there, including Home, Explore, Messages, and Notifications. Click on Notifications. When your Notifications page opens, look to the top right. You'll see a small gear icon labeled Settings. Click on that. This will take you straight to the main notification settings page, where you can customize exactly what kind of alerts you want to receive. Next, find and click on the Filters option. This section controls how X filters out certain types of notifications like those from people who haven't confirmed their phone numbers, accounts without profiles, or others that might be considered suspicious. Once you open Filters, select Muted Notifications. Now here's the key part. You'll see several checkboxes that show which groups are currently muted. Look for the one labeled Who haven't confirmed their phone number. If it's checked, that means notifications from those users are currently muted. All you need to do is uncheck that box. After that, you're all set. The change takes effect immediately, so you'll start receiving notifications from everyone again, even those who haven't confirmed a phone number. It's a great way to make sure you don't miss any important replies, mentions, or interactions from people who are engaging with you on the platform. That's it, super easy. Keep in mind that X often updates its interface, so if things look a little different, the options should still be in roughly the same places. Now you know how to bring your notifications back to normal and stay connected with your entire network. Thanks for watching.